quiet yard beneath the moon, a little dog would softly croon. He'd bark at stars so far, so high, with wonder burning in each sigh. He wasn't strong, he wasn't tall, but in his heart he held it all. A dream to ride a rocket ship, to taste the stars upon his lips. Oh, Cosmo pup, with eyes so wide, you chased the stars across the sky. No leash could hold your space-bound heart. You knew you'd reach the moon from the very start. He studied charts, he learned to steer. While others laughed, he had no fear. He built a suit, he passed the test, the first pup chosen with all the rest. NASA called with joy and pride, a dog like him, now qualified. He wagged his tail, then climbed aboard, a barking hero they'd all adore. Oh, Cosmo pup, with dreams so bright, you danced among the stars at night. No fence could keep you from the blue. You turned your howls into something true. Through comets cold and silence deep, he floated softly, fell asleep, and in his dreams he saw the earth, a tiny dot, his place of birth. He radioed back with joyful tone, I'm not just a dog, I'm not alone. For every pup who's chased a car can chase a dream and touch a star. Oh, Cosmo pup, you proved it right, that courage shines